Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're gonna begin our Django series. So we are starting out from scratch. So for those of you who don't know, Django is a web-based framework for web pages. So let's just go ahead and get started. So first we got to do pip install Django, and we're gonna let this run for a second, and we'll well, if you have not subscribed yet, this is the first video you're running across this channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We have tons of videos on all different subject matters, and we have videos coming out all the time, in series, in collections, micro videos, requested video responses, just everything you need to know about Python. This is a one-stop shop. Alright, so there we go. Everything is installed. So here we go. Import Django. Run it. dir to Django. And here we go. So we have everything here. Alright, and we will just get started. So now, and we've probably recognized these from several of our other libraries and packages. So this is step one of our Django series, and we'll just have at it. So please drop any comments, questions, any video requests. There is one other library for web pages. I don't know if we're gonna do it, but we may do it after this one. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.